What's up, my Blender scientist? Today I will show you how to select face perfectly. It's very useful whenever you're working on tough project, so let's begin. Here's my another project, so I want to select the lips area. Okay, so first method is go to edit mode, press 3, and select like this by using your right button of the mouse. Now let's talk about second method, which is most of the artists use this method. Just press F and you will see a circle. Increase and decrease the size according your use. And click one time right button of the mouse and drag for selecting. Believe me, if you will use this method, your work will be gone easy. Let's back on project. We have selected this lip area. Now go on material section and add a lips image. You can download image from Google and other website. I have downloaded from Google. Now I'm gonna add. Select BSDF and click Ctrl-Shift-T. And click on Open and add image texture that you downloaded. Now go to UV editor mode for more perfection. This image is here. I'm gonna unwrap this UV. Click right button and click on Unwrap UV. Now you can see this UV has no shape like lip, so for changing the shape I will click right button and click Cube Protection UV. And now adjust perfectly. If you like something, please like and subscribe for more interesting videos. And please comment below and tell me what can I improve for you and my wrongs. Goodbye, I will come with next video, so subscribe.